Hey girlies, welcome to the third episode of Girl Get Up. So, today we are having a conversation that some of you might not like, but somebody needs to say it, and that is worshipping your 3D reality that we are so good at, right? So, we need to start ignoring our 3D reality because it's like a projector that is installed in front of your head that is just projecting all your beliefs right in front of you, which is not even real. It is just your 3D reality is just like a movie that is being projected. That is not real. You need to stop believing it because it is just showing you what you believe to be true. And if you're new here, let me explain what 3D reality exactly is. Your 3D reality is what you see, what you hear, what people are doing, what your circumstances are, external circumstances are showing you. But the problem here is that people say that they trust their affirmations, but the second the 3D says something different, they panic. Like there's so much panic at that moment that they just reverse their manifestation, they just cancel out their affirmations, and everything is just back to normal. And let's say you're affirming he is obsessed, but the moment he doesn't text, you are spiraling again. You are overthinking. You are constantly checking your messages. You're constantly refreshing your messages if you got a message or not. You're checking the timestamps. You're checking if he got a new follower. You're checking the likes if any girl liked his picture, and like you are checking everything except for your own mindset. That is actually the reason this is happening. And damn, this is so exhausting. How can you put so much of your potential into something that is not even real? And here's the funny thing, you say you want your new reality, but you are constantly taking instructions from your old one. Like, how is it even possible that you stick to an old story and expect a new one to flourish? If your current reality is exactly what you are trying to change, but you are still feeding on to your old one, you are still letting your old identity to control your actions, then how can you expect your new reality to show up? Your 3D is an old news, period. Old news that is gone, that no more hold any significance. Everything you are seeing right now is the result of your previous assumptions. Like I told you that this is a projector, this is just projecting your beliefs. If you change your belief, this projector will show something very beautiful. Everything you have right now is just your previous assumptions, your previous thoughts, your previous stories, your previous identities. When people react emotionally, every time the 3D doesn't match their desire, they are basically planting a seed, digging it up. They are just planting it again, digging it up, planting it again, digging it up. Now, the seed here is your manifestation, your affirmations. You are doing affirmations like you're planting a seed of your manifestation. Then you are panicking again when your 3D is showing up. You are digging your manifestation, like you're canceling it out. You are just making it null. Getting my point? That how can a plant grow when you keep digging the seed out? Just leave that seed alone. Leave your affirmations alone. Leave your manifestations alone. And 3D is like an unwanted grass growing around, and you can just cut it, or you can just ignore it. Just take care of it with your affirmations and consistency. Now, here comes a very important part, that does this mean that you need to ignore your life? No. You gotta pay your bills, check your messages, reply to the important ones, function like a normal human being. But what you need to do here is you need to stop treating every circumstance like it's the final answer. Let me repeat myself. You need to stop treating every circumstance like it's the final answer. If he isn't texting back, doesn't mean that you guys will never talk again. A circumstance is just a circumstance. That's it. It only gets power when you decide it means something. It is only feeding upon you. It's like a parasite. That circumstance is like a parasite, it's just feeding upon your beliefs. You give it power, he'll get powerful, obviously. And you need to believe, you need to have confidence in your manifestation without any proof. Anybody can feel confident after they get a text, after they get into a good relationship, like romantic, a very peaceful, harmonious relationship. Anybody can feel confident when they have bundles of cash in their pocket. Obviously, why would I not feel confident? Why would you not feel confident? But the theory here is, all the thing is that you need to be confident without even having any evidence, and you just stop looking for the evidence. And can you stay loyal to your new story before the evidence arrives? That's where people separate themselves. Like, you need to start believing it even if it is not in your current reality. Because manifestation is not really about what you want. It's about becoming the version of who naturally expects it. And the version of you is not checking every 5 minutes. That version of you isn't begging, isn't panicking. That version of you just knows that it is with me, right? Like, you're in a such good relationship. Your boyfriend is quite obsessed with you. Like, he just can't stop talking to you. So, will you keep checking your messages every 5 minutes? No, because that thing is now implied. You need to act that way. So for the next few days, I want you to catch yourself every time you're looking for an evidence. Every time you're checking, every time you're spiraling, just ask yourself, am I reacting as the old version of me, or the version of me who is already secure, who has it all? Because, girl, the answer to this question will tell you exactly why you are not getting your results, or why you are getting the results, why you have these external circumstances. And in the next episode, we'll talk about how to deal with this reality. Till then, do this inner audit, do whatever I'm telling you right now, and you'll see, at least you will know how you are yourself destroying everything, right? So I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.